Stacy D and D. Stacy and Davy and Zach Zach and the answer it does it. When he first boom in to say Stacy and Davy. Stacy D and D. Stacy D and D. Stacy D. La 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 la. Stacy D and D. The smile as he burst it out. And the answer is no answer. The roller coaster and the the answer is number one. Stacy D and D. Stacy D and D. Oh, Stacy. La 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 la. Stacy D and D. Ha 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 ha. Okay, Jerry, say Stepmark Comedy. Okay, Stepmark Comedy. What he said? You're to Stepmark Comedy. It's Stacy is hero. Stacy is better. I don't know. I just kind of let's see, Madam. Oh, hi, Stacy. Oh, hi, Dark. Oh, that was weird. Stacy, you're cured of hiccups. Again. I know. I have an idea. Okay, you're upside down. See? You upside down again, you're upside down. Now watch this. Like this. It's fun. Now you try, Stacy. I'll be your friend. Your friend? Watch this. Hey, it's not so bad. 1,000,000 hours of the cured the hiccups, for it is the doomed lethal. Why should you? There's the hiccups, sir. You had the hiccups. Wait a minute. It's only fine. One thing is I was to do just what I say. Okay, now I'm using pillow. With pillows, it's pillow. 20,000 years later. Okay, now we get to the right thing. Water. I don't get it so about this your gut day. The hiccups are gone. Okay, Alice and Stacy. Now I get her to always for right back to Mr. Winky. Be quiet! Hey, Stacy, are you fighting the hiccups? We had to post do. You think if you're upside down or the pie together. You lost my pie. Your pie again? You lost pie. Be quiet! Shut up! Oh, son, take that. She's been lovely with the wife. I do. The hiccups are gone. And now pronounce you husband and wife. And throw this sign to the children. No to the children all. That's right. John, I did is the Lily. It's your sister. Do you, your husband and wife? I do. And now I should shout in. Look, Stacy, he a friendly Bob and their parents. Okay, Stacy and Mom, do you want to play the The gods? You're right, Daniel Bob, and it's just really doing her about. Mentally don't know. Help me out there! Everything is done that it's all about have been nothing. You know, I still with your fire pie. Later, 12 million thousand years later. I gotta have more water. This is everywhere. Everywhere pies. Shut up. Delicious. Again. But really the pie are again. Uh-oh. I swallow it. Platypus? Are you feeling okay? It is your platypus. They're Perry the platypus. But that's what I call her, Perry. Oh no! That's all, folks.